So in this question, the axonometric axis required for the isometric projection of a bin body are shown. The elevation and end elevation of a 2D graphic are also shown. Complete the axonometric. Label this, please. A, B, C, D, E, and F. Okay, we've also got the little part inside, but we'll just, even if we just get the outside part done. So here we've got B, A, C, E, F, and D. And then over here then, we've got A, B, and C hidden behind it, E, and D, and F. So as before, so look, we're already given point B, point C, and point A. We have to find F. So if we bring F down from here, we bring F down from here. So we brought F down from here. We brought F down from here. So that there is giving us the point F. But it should be just straight up from A. Then E is also along this line. So we bring E down. Find E is just there. And finally D. And D is along this line as well. So it should be just directly lining up there like that. And there's point D. What we're going to do this time, instead of dividing up with our 30/60, we're just going to measure. We're going to do 5, 10, 15, okay? So just mark in those 5 millimeter gaps, all right? So from E, measure over 5 millimeters for me, okay? We'll label these 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe a bit too many points, maybe. But what we're going to do now is we're going to use our sliding set square. I'm going to draw those lines up until they meet the curve. F. We call this G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Now, if we look at this here, this is along the line ED. So we're going to bring these points 1 down so it meets that line ED. 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we just measured these out, 5 millimeter gaps. They're along this line ED. So we're bringing these now down to the line ED in our isometric. We then drew these lines parallel to this edge. We just got our set squares, sliding set squares, and drew those points up like that. Okay? All you simply have to do now, so E is there and E is there. 1, you're just going to draw the line 1 straight up. And you're going to bring G down from here till they meet that there. And that is point G on your curve. Point 2, you're going to bring that straight up. You're going to bring point H down. That meets that there, coming straight up from 2. And that is H. 3, you're going to draw that straight up. You're going to bring the point I, which is above 3, there's point I, and you can see there now your curve is starting to take shape. 4. And J is down. And that's J there now. Point 7 is brought straight up. 6 is straight up. 5. There's M. L. And K. those points are still here again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We're going to bring that one up. So there's G, H, J. That's J there. That's I. K, L, and M. Now with more points, might just get slightly more confusing. Okay, you could have maybe just taken a few less points. To finish this off, we've got to put this little square down here, so we know now 1, 2, 3, 4, let's say. 2 is going to come down here. We've got to figure out where it ends. How we'll do that? Bring that there line straight down to here, and then we'll bring it up. And that's going to let us know that that is the point 2 there. Same with this one here. We're going to bring this down to here, down to our base, and then we'll bring that straight up. That'll give you the little square box in front of it. If you want to go around that any more bits heavy,